Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Enjin on the Coinbase application. It is very easy and simple to do, just takes a couple minutes. Now, I would like to point out as well that if you guys need help creating your Coinbase account and you don't have one yet, I do have a tutorial showing you guys how to create one, and I'll have that linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below if that is needed. Now, to purchase Enjin on Coinbase, you just want to head over to the application and open it up. Once you're on the application here, you just want to go to the bottom of the screen where you see the blue circle and the arrows pointing the opposite ways. You just want to go ahead and click on that, then click on Buy Crypto with Cash. Once you do that, you can scroll down and you will find Enjin down here. Once you find Enjin, just click on it. And once you're in this application now, and the part where I'm at right here, where it's on the buy screen, I would like to let you guys know that you can set up repeat purchases for Enjin as well. And if you want to do that, you can click on the one-time purchase option here. And it'll just tell you repeat this purchase. So basically, you could purchase it on a bi-weekly basis, on a daily basis, a monthly basis. And it works the same way as the one-time purchase. So you just click on the one that you want right here. And once you click on it, you just type in the amount of native currency that you want to spend, whether it's on a daily, monthly, bi-weekly, or just a one-time purchase basis. So let's just say if I wanted to spend $300, I could type in $300, and then you just click on Preview Buy at the bottom here. Once you click on Preview Buy, it's then going to show you how much Enjin you're going to get for the amount of money that you wanted to spend. So for the 300 Canadian dollars, I will get 113.9 Enjin tokens, and below that it just shows you Enjin's current price as of today, as well as the purchase price and the Coinbase fee that you will be paying for the exchange. Now, if you're okay with the information that you guys see here, you just want to click on the bottom where it says Buy Now. Once you click on Buy Now, you can then back out to your portfolio, which you will see just on the bottom of the screen right here. You just kind of click on Portfolio, and then you will see your Enjin right here. Now, if you guys need help transferring it out of Coinbase and you don't know how to do that, just leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to make another video showing you guys how to transfer it out of here into a secure wallet. Anyhow, if this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.